Hello friends! Warm welcome to this video. How to turn on quiet mode on Instagram. Have you ever wished for a way to silence those constant notifications and distractions? In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to activate quiet mode on Instagram. Whether you're looking to concentrate on work, have some quality me time, or simply want to reduce screen time, quiet mode on Instagram is your new best friend. It's a feature that allows you to take a break from the noise and stay in control of your social media usage. Let's jump right in and discover how you can enjoy a more peaceful Instagram experience. Tap on the Log In button of the Instagram app if you are not logged in. Enter your Instagram password and tap on the Login button. Tap on your profile icon at the bottom left. At the top right, tap on the three horizontal lines of the menu. From the menu list, tap on Settings and Privacy. Tap on the Notifications option. Tap on the Quiet Mode option. In the Quiet Mode screen, tap on the button to turn it on. Tap on the From Time option and choose a time to start quiet mode. Tap on the To option and choose a time to end the quiet mode. Tap on the back arrow button at the top left. If you want to disable the quiet mode, then tap again on the Quiet Mode option. Tap on the button to turn it off. Tap on the Turn Off Mode link at the bottom, and this will disable the quiet mode on Instagram. Please do not forget to like this video. Make sure to subscribe to this channel for more upcoming tech support videos. Thank you for watching this video.